What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it is going to be an easy Valentine's Day look, like super easy. I simplify the eyes for you, okay guys? If you come to me and tell me how do you blend your eyeshadows like that, like you're not watching my video. So with that being said, thank you so much for clicking on this video, okay? If you don't already know, my name is Madonna and I do makeup here on YouTube and Instagram. So let's just go ahead and get on to this really easy Valentine's Day look. I'm going to use first is kind of like my moisturizer. I'm just trying to finish this damn thing by now. This is the Glam Glow Starter in the shade Nude Glow, and it just kind of gives me that kind of like dewy look to the face. This was a good one. This is from Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus foundation in the shade Bronze Beige. I stopped using this foundation because I couldn't find my perfect match. Ever since I started using the Fenty banana powder and I noticed that it kind of gives me like a yellowness, I decided to kind of set my foundation with that, set this foundation with that, and now it's like perfect. I'm gonna use my Kabi brush. This brush, I have been loving it. Like, it blends out my foundation so fast and so smooth. This is the angular brush, so if you've never heard of this, I'm actually gonna link the website below so you can kind of take a look at like the brushes. But a lot of new things are gonna come out with this brand really soon, and you're gonna hear more about them. But for right now, I'm introducing you guys to this brush because this brush is bomb. See how this is like such a light shade, but this is the only one that actually matches me the closest. Like, I don't understand. Bronze Beige, this is not Bronze Beige, what the fuck. Go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty concealer. Now, I have been using this concealer since I got it, and it's because I've been kind of learning how to use it. If you want to know what my initial reaction of the concealer is, definitely check out my previous video. I will link it down below so that you can see. But I've noticed that less is more when it comes to this concealer, and so I'm just kind of using the tip of it and putting dots in the places where I really need the full coverage, which would be like right here closer to like the inner corners of my eye, and I kind of swipe a little bit in the middle of my nose because I feel like there's like a dark spot there always that kind of comes through in all of my photos. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just tap on this concealer. I'm not swiping or anything, I'm just tapping it in so that I have like the most pigment right here in my inner corners. I feel like I need more coverage. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna let it warm up on my face, and I'm just gonna move on to brows real quick because it's starting to bug me that I don't have any brows on yet. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown and an angular brush, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this onto the brush and kind of just flatten out my angular brush with it, because the sharper the brush, the better and easier it is to do your brows, in my opinion. And I'm just gonna go ahead and outline. So now my base is done. I still kind of notice a little difference between the foundation and my neck. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Fenty Beauty Banana Powder. I'm going to go ahead and bronze up this face. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look at this, I had hit pan. I love this bronzer, like it's just so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and warm up the face using this Morphe E4 kind of angular flat brush. Press onto my face. I have been using the Fenty Beauty Freestyle Highlighter Palette, and I have been using Honey Slope as my blush. and Camp Ice as like my highlighter for like my day-to-day for some reason. Just been loving that. I'm gonna stay away from this highlighter, but the blush, that is my blush. Like, I absolutely love the way Honey Slope looks because it's just, I don't know, I find it to be like just so pretty. Like, it's such a pretty orangey shade. Okay, so for highlight, I'm gonna go in with Wet n Wild's Precious Petals. Now this has like a peachy tone to it, and it's kind of pink and peach, so it's not going to look too bad against this orangey blush. A little bit of that on the highest points of my cheeks, and I'm using an M504. Go ahead and set my face so that all these powders that I just put on will just kind of mesh together. For that, I'm actually going to go in and use this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is like the most bomb setting spray I've ever tried. Like, it feels amazing putting it on, and because this is more like a radiant kind of setting spray, like it doesn't dry down matte. It gives me like that dewy finish that I always go for. So now that the face is done, let's move on over to the eyes, okay? For the eyes, I'm actually going to dip into the Saharan by Juvia's. You can find this at Ulta, so if you don't want to actually go and shop for them online and you want to swatch them, they are available at Ulta, and the eyeshadows are so nice. They're really pigmented, and they're just like, they're just beautiful. They work so well. So this is the palette. Very Valentine-y kind of palette to me right now. I'm going to dip into my tiny little Urban Decay Primer Potion. Put it on my eyelid and prime them. Go ahead and dip into this shade right here and just kind of pack it on to the lid first. I'm just packing it on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use circular motions to kind of blend, and windshield wiper motions too, and just keep blending until you kind of don't see a harsh line or anything. You just want it to look kind of like natural into the brow bone kind of blend. And I'm actually going to dip into, it's going to be this one right here. This is called Jamila. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and dip into Jamila. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to dip into my crease, which is basically the eye socket of your eye. I'm just going to blend it into the crease. I'm not going to go too high because then I'm going to lose that color where I just placed my transition shade. So the next shade I'm going to dip into, I'm actually going to be using Bororo, or was it Bororo? I'm going to use Bororo. This is like a nice little pink reddish reflex in it. I really want my shimmery shadows to pop. I'm going to add Too Faced Cosmetics glitter glue onto the lid, and this is going to make this shimmer pop. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this shade, and you're gonna see how beautiful it's going to pop on my lid. Like, wow. I'm telling you, if you feel like your shimmery shadow doesn't shimmer enough, just put on some glitter glue and it's going to do it justice. Wow, I wasn't even recording what I just did, but I went over top with Fula to make it look a little bit more pink because I thought it looked a little bit too red for this Valentine's Day look. So all I did was just kind of place it on top, as you can see, and it just kind of added more pink to the look. And it is so nice and shimmery, like, wow. I really like how shimmery that looks. What I'm gonna do is go back into Jamila, and I'm going to just kind of diffuse the outer portions of this look. and just kind of tap it over top so that it has a little bit of like a blend. Even though it is a shimmer shade that I'm placing this on top of, it's just going to look like it's blending into like my crease color. I'm gonna go ahead and put Katsina on my lower lash line and smoke it out. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Zoya, this lady right here, and she is going to be my pop in my inner corner. Tie this look together. I'm actually going to go over top that inner corner highlight, and I'm going to place the Wet n Wild highlighter that I had put on my face, and I'm just going to put that there too. I'm going to go ahead and add some lashes. I'm going to go in and use these Lily lashes. This is in the style Miami. Okay, so now my lashes are on. Let me zoom you out so that we can get on to the lips. For the lips, I'm actually going to go in with Gerard Cosmetics in the shade Between the Sheets. Very fitting for Valentine's Day. This is like a really nice peachy nude color. I'm going to add a little bit of gloss. I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Venus. Such a, like, all these shades, they're also like love base, you know, Venus, Between the Sheets, like, ooh. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think. You know, very easy, very simple, beautiful date night, Valentine's Day vibe. Yeah, pretty much this is a very easy look. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It is very, very pink, very orangey, very peachy, perfect for like this kind of, you know, this kind of holiday. Like, you don't want to look overdone, but you want to look cute, you know? And if you want to add a little bit more sultriness, more sexiness, you can add a little bit more of a darker shade in the outer corners and your lower lash line. And then you just amp up the look, you know, just like that. I think this is so cute. I actually really like the lip too, which, by the way, I do have a discount code for Gerard Cosmetics. It is Madonna MUA, and you get 30% off, so that's a win-win for both me and you. You get a discount code and I get to earn a little bit extra cash. That is it for this video. Let me know if you recreate this look. Please tag me, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. The name is Madonna MUA. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. That will totally help me out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.